Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy S21 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera mirror effect at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here we have to go to the left corner to this button. When we tap on it, we can open the advanced camera settings. And now let's slide a little bit and focus on the selfies category. At the second position we have Save Selfies as Preview option and the short information from the device that it saves selfies as they appear in the preview without flipping them. So by using this button we can turn it off or turn it on again as we need. And this is kind of mirror effect here at this camera. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.